In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Slack in a simple and straightforward way, perfect for beginners. This connection can be incredibly useful if you want to streamline your workflow and keep your team informed without having to switch between different tools constantly. Let's dive into the process. First, start by opening Notion and navigating to the Settings and Members section. It's the hub for all sorts of configurations, and you'll find it in the top corner of your Notion workspace. Within this section, you have access to various settings related to your account and workspace, allowing you to customize and optimize your Notion experience. Once you've opened the Settings and Members, next, you want to guide your attention to the Integrations option. Integrations are powerful features that allow Notion to communicate with other apps and services, making your workspace more versatile. By enabling integrations, you are essentially broadening the functionality of Notion, connecting it to tools you regularly use, thereby reducing the need to hop between apps and improving your productivity. After opening the Integrations tab, you'll notice various potential applications that can integrate with Notion. Among these, look for the option to connect Slack to your workspace. Slack, as you may know, is a fantastic tool for team communication, letting you send messages, share files, and collaborate with your team in real time. By connecting it to Notion, you can ensure that your team's chat and collaboration efforts are seamlessly integrated with your project's organizational workflow. Clicking on the Slack integration, you will be prompted to permit Notion to access your Slack workspace. This step is crucial as it sets the basis for a smooth connection, allowing Notion to push updates and notifications from your workspace directly into Slack. You'll want to ensure you're logged into the correct Slack account and workspace to avoid any confusion or connectivity issues. Usually, this involves authorizing through a pop-up login screen, so make sure your browser settings allow pop-ups from Notion's site. With the Slack and Notion connection successfully set up, you're now ready to choose which updates you want to receive in Slack. The amazing part of this integration is that you can customize the types of notifications you'd like to receive, such as page updates or comments added to documents in Notion. This customization helps in reducing unnecessary noise and ensures your Slack feed only includes pertinent information, keeping your team informed and in the loop without overwhelming them. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully connected Notion to Slack so you can receive real-time updates and keep your team's workflow moving smoothly. This simple integration can make a world of difference in team coordination and project management efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you connect your Notion and Slack effectively. Be sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides to boost your productivity.